Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can provide a billing address in the Bart application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And at the billing address section, just provide your postcode, your city, your street, your house number, and then optionally the floor, the door, and the doorbell. And once you did that, just click on the save button and your billing address is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.